Hello, good evening. So I am again back with string concatenation video in Python. So let's see concatenating strings. What are they? Okay, let's create and program over here. Huh? So I'm simply writing. Let's have a new file. Okay, hash string concatenation. Okay, string concatenation. Okay, so let's store the value first name. Okay, is equal to, suppose I'm writing here Tanmay, okay, and the last name I'm writing here is equal to Uppal. Now see, I simply just want to join these two words, okay, these two strings you can say. Okay, so how do we do it? Let's see. So for joining it, I will use uh, the plus sign. Okay, the plus operator joins or concatenates strings written on both the sides of the operator and creates a new string. So I am writing here full name. Full name is equal to what would be my full name? First name plus last name. Okay, first name plus last name. Clear? And now I will write here print full name. Okay, so I want to print now full name. So let's see, if I am writing here plus sign, what is the use of plus operator here? Okay, let me write what is the use. So the plus operator joins strings written on both sides of the operator. Okay, both sides of the operator, and creates a and creates a new string. Fine, and creates a new string. Clear? Okay, and creates a new string. Fine. So this is what the use of this plus operator. So let me save the file and we will see here. Uh, 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 okay, concat. Okay, so we will run this file. Control S, F5. Let's see. So it is saying Tanmay Uppal. Okay, the output is Tanmay Uppal. You can see there is no space between the first name and the last name. So how we will get the space here? Okay, to give a white space between two words, insert a space before closing quote of the first literal. Okay, so let's see how to do it. Okay, see, one thing is that either you can write here it in quotes, okay, plus sign, or you can simply give the space where this side, just see. Okay, if you want to give the space, I will put one tab here. Okay, you can have a space. So let's see, run it again. So you can see here I got a space over here between the names. One way is this. Another way is, let's see again. Another way is, if I am simply writing here the space. Okay. If I am giving the space here and then writing plus. Okay. Fine. So let's see again. Tanmay Uppal. So I got the space here also. Fine. So this is how I can simply get the space between the two strings. Clear? So suppose, see, simply writing two string literals together also concatenates them. Clear? So like if I am writing if I am writing, let me create one more file. Okay, if I am simply writing here that C is equal to that is Tanmay, okay, and again this and Uppal, okay. So I am saying print C. Fine. So let's see concatenate run. So I got the space here also. So this is how you can give the space. See, yeah, but if I will suppose, if I will write here, if I will try to add the integer number to the first name, okay. So what will happen? Let's see here. Suppose I have written this, okay. Now I want to hmm, just wait. Hmm. Okay, now just suppose I want to have the so just suppose if I want to add it, so let's make it okay. So suppose I am writing here print first name first name plus 3. Okay, now I am trying to add the number. Okay, so what will happen? I will get the error here. Okay, suppose let's run it. So it is saying the error because I simply cannot add. You cannot add string to integer objects. Fine. To use the plus operator, data types should be the same. Clear? So so you will get the error this way. Fine. Now suppose if I am writing like I will make it, just suppose I will make it, let me copy. I will copy it, okay, and will paste here. Fine. Let me make it command. Okay, now I am writing it in a string. Okay, like this way. So let's see now what will happen. I will not get any error because I made it a string. Okay, so control save. So I got the answer Tanmay T. Fine. I got the output like this way. Fine. If suppose I am using the string, okay. Now I want to make it print, okay. Or if I want to simply want to write this string in a, you can use the string function also. Fine. Like here, if I am writing here str and here this bracket, fine. Fine. If I am writing like this way, then also I will not get any error. You can see here. Fine. I have got the answer. Clear. Now, if suppose I want to make it 3 times, okay, I want to replicate, okay, I want to simply replicate this, okay, means this I will use a multiplication operator here that will create a new string by repeating the multiple copies of the same string, okay. So suppose I am writing here print first name first name multiply 3. Okay, I am writing this now. Suppose I will run it. So you will see this. I am getting Tanmay, Tanmay, Tanmay 3 times. Clear? I am getting it 3 times. So this is how my replication will works. Clear? Okay, okay. Just simply make me fine. So this is how it will work. It will create the multiple copies of the same string. I hope you have understood the collection of characters inside single quotes or double quotes and the use of addition operator and the use of how to just concatenate the two strings together. and how to replicate the strings. Thank you. Thanks for visiting. If you like this video, kindly like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates, and also don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you.